Hello everyone, welcome to lecture on mathematics. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss how to find rational number lied between the two rational numbers. So let's start with our first example, that is find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. As you know, the rational number is nothing but the number which can represent in p by q form. Here q is not equals to 0 and pq are integers. If the number, any number which can represent in this form, and here q is not equals to 0, pq are integer, then we call the number is rational numbers. Now here in this question we have to particularly find 5 rational numbers which lies between 1 and 2. There are two methods of finding rational numbers lies between two numbers. We one by one discuss. Here the first method is by using average. Average means we know that the formula of average, if we have given two numbers, for example here number are 1 and 2, and we want to find the average, that means we have to take their addition and divide it by total number of variables. Here 1 and 2, there are two numbers, so take the addition of two numbers, given numbers 1 plus 2 divided by total numbers of variables. So here we get the number, that is 3 by 2, and we know that the average or mean which always lies between the given numbers. So here we want to find rational number, that is p by q form number, and here in between 1 and 2. So I want the number lies between 1 and 2, that's why I am taking the average, which is always lies between the number which we have taken the average. So 3 by 2 is lies between 1 and 2, and it is p by q form. So here it is a first, we have find that the first rational number lies between 1 and 2. Similarly, here it is a first number. Now we want to find second number, so we take the second average, again the number. Now here we have now you can take the average of this two number and then take the average of this two number. It means we get the rational number lies between 1 and 3 by 2, and next we get the rational number which lies between 3 by 2 and 2. So for second, then we get here second number is 1 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2 is equals to, here multiply these two to 1, then we get 2 plus 3 by 2 whole divided by 2. Now take the addition of 2 plus 3, that is 5 divided by 2. Here we get it is 5 divided by 2 divided by 2. Now here use the formula, that is here use the formula p by q whole divided by r is nothing but it is a p by q into r. Denominator term or whole denominator term is directly multiplied, then here q into r. So here I am using the same formula, then we get 5 by 4, which is again p by q form, that means it is a rational number and which lies between 1 and 3 by 2. Now we have to find next rational number which is lies between 3 by 2 and 2. So I am taking for third rational numbers, I am taking the average of next two number, that is 3 by 2 plus 2 divided by 2. Again here you have to add this number, cross multiply and then add, that is 2 into 2 4. So here 3 plus 4 divided by 2 whole divided by 2. Now take the addition of numerator term, that is 3 plus 4 7 divided by 2 divided by 2. Again same rule you have to apply here, then we get 7 divided by 4. This is the next rational number which lies between 3 by 2 and 2. Now our work is not finished, you have to find 5 rational numbers. So now current situation number, that is 1, then 1 and 3 by 2, and in between 3 by 2 we get the number 5 by 4, and then here in between 3 by 2 and 2 we get the rational number 7 by 4. It means we have found 3 rational numbers which lies between 2 and 1 and 2. Now we have to find next 2 rational numbers, so which is lies between 1 and 2. So you have to take the average of these 2 numbers and then average of these 2 numbers. Then we get the number which is lies between 5 by 4 and 3 by 2, and next we get rational number which lies between 3 by 2 and 7 by 4. So for fourth rational number I am taking the average of these 2 numbers, that is 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 divided by 2. Then here convert this number which having base 4. So 5 by 4 plus 3 by 2 into 2 by 2. ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करने से क्या होगा, बेस के अंदर आपको 4 मिल जाएगा अगर, and here divided by 2 as it is. Now if we take 5 by 4 plus, here product of this number is 6 divided by 4 whole divided by 2. Now here the base of first number is 4 and second number is 4. If the base is similar, then you can add directly numerator term. So here 5 plus 6 is 11 divided by 4. So here we get 11 by 4 divided by 2. Here again it is in the form of P by Q divided by R. So you can take product of division term. So here 11 is numerator term divided by 4 into 2, that is 8. Now here it is a fourth rational number which is lies between 1 and 2. Now we have to find next rational number. For next rational number I am taking, for fifth rational number I am taking the average of 3 by 2 and 7 by 4. So here 3 by 2 plus 7 by 4 divided by 2. Again you have to convert this number in having base 4, which is we have already converted, that is 3 by 2 you have to multiply 2 and divide it by 2. So we get it is 6 by 4. So I am directly using here 3 by 2 is nothing but 6 by 4 plus 7 by 4 divided by 2. Now here again the base is similar, take the addition of numerator term, then we get addition of numerator term is 7 plus 6 is 6 plus 7 is 13 divided by 4 divided by 2. So here it is 13 divided by 8. Now we get 5 rational number which is lies between 1 and 2. Therefore the rational number which lies, we can say, therefore these are the rational number which lies between 1 and 2. Now is it the only rational number which lies between 1 and 2? No. In between any two rational numbers there are infinite numbers of rational number. Infinite rational number. In between 1 and 2 there are infinite number of rational number lies between two rational numbers. So here these are the 5 rational number which we have find it, but other than this there are infinite rational numbers still remain in 1 and 2. And in this method we have used the average method, but every time it is not possible to take the average. Let's start with second method which help you to find rational numbers very easily. So method 2, in the exam if they ask to find the rational number lies between any two numbers, then you always use this second method. It is easy to find rational number which lies between two rational numbers. So let's start with our second method. Here in the question we have to find 5 rational numbers which lies between 1 and 2. So here we have to find 5 rational numbers, then take 5 plus add 1 in the number. That is, if we have to find any number, total number of rational numbers, here it is a 5 rational numbers, so I have take 5 rational numbers plus add 1. So here 5 plus 1 is 6. Now the next work is, here it is a first step, we have taken the 5 plus 1 6. In the second step, here we want to find the rational number which is lies between 1 and 2. So here you write 1 and here 2. Now we have to convert this one which having base 6 to here I am multiplying divided by 6, so we get, instead of, you have to convert this 2 having base 6. So again here number 2 you write as it is number, and here divided, multiply and divided by 6. If we take multiply and divided by 6, then here we get 12 divided by 6. Now our 1 is converted into 6 by 6 and 2 is converted into 12 by 6. Here 6 by 6 and 6. 6 by 6 is 1 and 12 by 6 is 2. So we have to find rational numbers which lies between these two numbers. Now your work is very easy. You just have to add numerator 1 1 1. So here I want next number, so I am writing adding 1 in 6, that we get 7 by 6. Then again add 1 in this number, then we get 8 by 6. Again add 1, 9 by 6, then 10 by 6, then 11 by 6. Now count this total number, we get 1 2 3 4 5. That means here it is a 5 number which lies between 1 and 2. This method is very easy. You always use this method and find the rational numbers which lies between two rational numbers. Now we go here, the same question, find 5 rational number which lies between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Here we have to solve this question same way. Here the number is in p by q form, it is a rational number, and this one is again rational number. It means the question is same, find the rational number which lies between two rational numbers. So we go one by one. Here we have to find 5 rational numbers, so I am taking 5 and add 1, so we get here 6. Now we have to find in between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, so write 3 by 5 here and multiply this number by 6 and divided by 6. If we multiply and divided by same number, then our number remains same. So here take the multiplication of numerator term, 3 into 6, that is 18, divided by 5 into 6, that is 13. Now similar way, second number is 4 by 5. Again multiply this number by 6 and divided by 6. Then we get here 4 into 6, that is 24, and 5 into 6, that is 30. Now we have to find the 5 rational numbers. So 5 rational number which lies between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So 3 by 5 we have converted into 18 by 30. So I am writing 18 by 30, and here 24 by 30. Just you have to add 1 in the numerator term and go up to 24. So here 18 plus 1 is 19 by 30. In numerator term I am just adding 1 1 1. So here 19 by 30. Again add 1 in 19, then we get 20 by 30, then 21 by 30, 22 by 30, and 23 by 30. Next will be 24, which is we have already written here. It means here we get 1 2 3 4 5. That is, we have found 5 rational number which lies between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Thank you. like, share and subscribe.